Good morning students. In today's video, we will see effects of rain on some living things and non-living things. Okay. In this stanza, we will see joyful effect of rain on butterflies, on trees, on leaves of trees, and also boys and girls, and also the overall effect of the silver rain on our life. Okay, so students, in the last video we have seen that there is effect of silver rain on green grasses and flowers. Okay, so in this video we will see that again. Okay, so let's start. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry. Okay, so you can see in the picture that there is a rainbow. Okay, rainbow is actually consist of 7 colors. Okay, so students, if you have seen butterflies or if you have tried to catch butterflies, then you have definitely got to know that the wings of butterflies were very silky. Silken means like silk, smooth. Okay, so its wings were very smooth, very silky, and at the same time the butterflies are very attractive. Okay, as they are made up of multicolors. Okay, it is multicolored insect. Okay, it looks very beautiful. Okay, so in the time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings, okay, to catch a rainbow cry. So as you know, rainbow has only 7 colors and wings of butterflies are of multicolors. Okay, so rainbow is crying, okay, around the butterflies because it has only 7 colors and butterflies were trying to catch a rainbow during rainy seasons because rainbow only exists in rainy seasons. Okay, so in the silver rain the butterflies were trying to catch a rainbow. Okay, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. Okay, so we know we have seen in the last video that okay, leaves were grown on trees in rainy season. Okay, trees put forth means trees develops new leaves. Okay, and the poet is imagining that these leaves were singing. Okay, in a joy beneath the sky. Beneath means under. Okay, so poet is imagining that the leaves of trees, okay, new developed leaves of trees were singing in a joy. They were also very happy, okay, because they were getting new life, okay, and they were singing in a joy under the sky. Okay, as down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. Okay, so students, in rainy seasons, we also enjoy the rain, okay, and we do whatever we want to do, whatever we have interest in, okay. So, we do some interesting things, okay. So, someone likes to sing in during rains, okay, someone likes to dance during rain, someone likes to eat some snacks, okay, when there is a rain. So everyone has their own hobbies, okay, their own way of enjoying the rain. Okay, so in this poem, boys and girls who are passing on a roadway were singing, okay, in the joy. They were expressing their joy by singing. Okay, so everyone will do whatever they want to do in rainy season. Okay, they will explore their enjoyment in different ways. Okay, in time of silver rain, when spring when spring and life are new. So okay, so whenever there is a silver rain, then spring and life, okay, all are new. Okay, so in our life also, students, sometimes we go through some difficult times. Okay, we have some problems in our life for a certain period of time. So but that is not the end of the life. Okay, that is not end of the life. Okay, there is always a new beginning. Okay, or our life is also a cycle. Okay, it is like a cycle. So as uh, after one season there is another season is coming, that means in every year we have 3 seasons. Okay, so after 1 year we definitely repeat that season. Okay, so in the same way in our life also we have various different patches also, and also good times also. So if we are facing a difficult time, then there is not to worry. Okay, we will definitely get a good time also. Okay, so that good time is filled up with various new opportunities. Okay, and good times. Okay, so never be depressed. Okay, in bad times there will be also good time in our life also. Okay, so the poet is also comparing, okay, the rain, okay, with our life also. Okay, so students, this is all about this poem. Okay, so in this poem what the poet is trying to tell us, that whenever their silver rain arrives, then earth develops new life again. Okay, green grasses grow, flowers take a shower in rain, okay, and grow up with different colors. And also butterflies, okay, lift their silken wings to catch a rainbow. And tree is also developing new leaves, okay, which are going to sing in rain. Okay, enjoy. And also boys and girls who are passing down the roadway, they are also singing, they are also expressing their love towards rain, they are also enjoying. And also in our life also, it is also consist of some good times and bad times. Okay, so if there is bad time going in your life, then that is not end. After some time you will definitely get the good time. Okay, and you will definitely get good opportunities, okay, in your life. So don't be depressed. Okay, always think positively in our life. Okay, thank you.